No, you know, I don't know about anybody else, but I have slowly but surely come to the conclusion that football was better as a spectacle and more enjoyable as the beautiful game before the advent of the video assistant referee VAR. Oh yes, football was more fun to watch and more enjoyable to play when it was universally accepted that the referee's decision is final. And look, we understand the noble intent of using the available technology to get more decisions right. But if a minuscule increase in accurate decisions serves to dilute the entertainment value of the game, then effectively, VAR is more bad than good for football. And the next thing about VAR is that outside of the offside calls, which are consistent for all teams and all referees, the other calls, such as foul and penalty calls, are still subject to atrocious judgments. And it is the ambiguity of those calls that is causing the problem. In fact, when a referee uses VAR with several replay angles and still makes bad decisions, that is even worse than when there is no VAR. Yes. So I am not convinced that the video assistant referee is improving the football product. Me think it'll make the football product worse. Yes. And then can refer that to VAR.